Hey guys, so tonight we're making some pumpkin curry. We're gonna saute that onion.
I'm gonna just caramelize this here.
Yeah.
Burn it up a little bit. We mashed up some in this with pepper and garlic.
Yeah. Oh, that thing is so heavy.
Yeah. I like it to get a little burn this here. And I have some curry powder, jeera and masala here.
Yeah.
And you can see this one here is not turmeric. This one here is a little black. This is a char masala. So I'll try some of that and see how it goes. And mix it up with some water. Into a paste.
Yeah.
And everybody cook their pumpkin curry a little different. The Asian cook it different, the Korean people cook it different, the Americans cook it different.
Yeah.
The American people just bake it and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Pumpkin pie and all that kind of stuff.
They certainly don't make curry pumpkin.
Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah, the Americans don't make curry pumpkin. Chef Ramsay made curry pumpkin.
Chef Ramsay?
Yeah.
I never seen that.
Yeah, he made curry pumpkins.
Chef Ramsay stole a Guyanese recipe.
Yeah, he went to Guyana.
Like, what's new?
So I think that's burned up pretty good there. Add this paste in here. And I like cook it in this pot here. It's better to cook it in this pot than one of those newer non-stick pots.
Yep, agreed. Non-stick could never cook as good as these types of Sahari or Canary or whatever, how do you say?
Sahari.
Sahari.
Yeah. But it smells really, really good in here. So I'll burn this up pretty good. So I mixed a little bit of achar masala and regular Hindi masala. I just want all this flavor to release up. Don't fear to burn the curry. You want it to burn up a little bit like this here. And also in the pumpkin in another minute here. As you can see, that curry pretty burned up there. So now I'll throw in my pumpkin. You have some nice delicious pumpkin here. You can see I soaked mine in water.
Yeah guys, so it's all vegetarian pumpkin. We're not putting any fish and shrimp or chicken in this.
Oil roti or sada roti you can eat it with.
I'm gonna have mine with oil roti. But I like to have baked and pumpkin as well.
Yeah.
You know, baked. Or is there another name for it?
Float baked.
Float.
Or pot baked.
Yep.
Or pan baked.
Even tennis roll. I'll eat a tennis roll with pumpkin, with gaji. I use tennis roll like roti, so I eat it with any curry or fry or veggies.
So we're gonna let this cook and let it lose up water and let it steam a little bit here. Let all that curry flavor get into this pumpkin. This is some nice young, sweet, delicious pumpkin right to cook. And we'll be back. Alright, so we didn't add any water as yet. I'm waiting for it to kind of loosen up a little bit here. I like for it to get a little soft. And then I'll see how much water I'll lose. You can show that if you want.
Look at what these two guys are doing. Look. They just...
Yeah, whenever we're cooking,
they're right on the...
they're right on our foot. Just this is the spot they want to be at. They just want to be...
These two doggies. Hey guys.
Hey guys, sit. Hey, stop. Stop. And the little one want to be the big one.
Coco, sit. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. Coco, sit. Max, sit. Max. They're not listening today. I'm embarrassed.
I know. It's
They're
fine.
still puppies, guys. So
Yeah, they're still
making
puppies
mistakes.
and they're in training.
Yeah.
And they're pretty nosy, like some of our neighbors back home.
And America as well.
Yeah, and in America as well. You guys ever had those nosy neighbors? These guys are more nosy, they want to know everything. And yeah, we cook food for them too. Guys, this smells really, really good. Max? And they love to play the way they're groaning and grabbing each other, that's playing.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so it's been roughly around a little over 10 minutes. It smells kind of a little burny, so I already know it smells good here.
Yeah, it does smell good.
As you can see in the corner there, it's kind of burned. So I just warmed that.
I can't wait to have this and some oil roti tonight and a cup of tea. Right?
Yep. So
Wait,
now I'll add some
evaporated
water
Oh.
and let it cook. This will taste like the Jandy house, wedding house, pumpkin curry, bunjal pumpkin curry. That's the way you call it, bunjal pumpkin curry. So, we're covering it up, and here we got these two mischievous guys here. Hey, and sometimes you gotta know how to manhandle them, otherwise they take control over you.
Yep. They gotta know who the dominant figure is in the household.
Yeah. And they're growing pretty fast.
Sit.
At a really, really high rate.
Sit. They're my socks. No.
Say hi. So guys, this has been cooking for some time now. I think another 5 minutes. As you can see, it started loosening up there. You can put your hassa or any kind of fish inside, fried fish, shrimp, whatever you want in here. But today we're doing strictly veggie. So now we're fasting. Today's the 7th night. Yep. Yeah, we're fasting. Nalini is a strict Hindu. She don't like gilbak at all. And fish curry, as y'all know.
I don't like stew fish at all too. And curry chicken and curry duck and all the good stuff. But we shouldn't be thinking about that now.
We'll throw in some black pepper. And some Caribbean salt. I think that's the end of our Caribbean salt. Joking guys, it's just the regular salt. I'll put some sea salt inside. I think that should be good there. Debbie, you probably imagining some fish curry in here, eh?
No. You see, I'm strict Hindu.
But we didn't miss any meat or anything.
No, we do eat a lot of fish and seafood, not too much meat. So
it's really nice fasting.
laying off the fish for a little bit.
Yeah. So we're gonna let this cook on its own for another 10 minutes. Let's see how long it's gonna go. We'll be back.
Alright guys, so here we are.
Nice, delicious curry pumpkin. I like my pumpkin with some gravy, it's a little juicy.
Juicy goosey.
Mm-hmm.
Juicy loosey
And you see it's
goosey.
bubbling like a little volcano. And put in some scallions in here, some shallots. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please do so. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.